Welcome to an inside look at the advanced lab infrastructure at BITS Pilani WILP. Designed for our B.Tech and M.Tech programs in computer science and information systems, these labs enable working professionals to gain hands-on experience with industry-relevant tools and technologies anytime, anywhere. Our lab infrastructure includes 4 distinct environments, each purpose-built to address varied learning and technical objectives. These include virtual labs, cluster labs, console labs, and remote labs. Virtual lab. The virtual lab infrastructure is accessible 24/7 throughout the semester. Seamlessly integrated with our eLearn portal, it allows learners to connect anytime from anywhere. Powered by Amazon Web Services cloud infrastructure, our virtual lab can support thousands of concurrent users without performance degradation. This lab serves all courses in M.Tech software systems, M.Tech software engineering, selected courses in M.Tech cloud computing, M.Tech data science and engineering, M.Tech AI/ML programs, as well as B.Tech in AI/ML programs. The system intelligently launches different machine types based on the course requirements. For standard programming courses like computer programming, data structures and algorithm design, and network programming, we deploy T3A.medium instances with 2 CPUs and 4 GB RAM. For resource-intensive machine learning, artificial intelligence, NLP and advanced computing courses, we utilize T3AX large instances featuring 4 CPUs and 16 GB RAM. Students have access to comprehensive development environments including VS Code, Eclipse and PyCharm, along with specialized tools such as Wireshark for network analysis, GCC and code blocks for system programming, and complete AI/ML stacks featuring Anaconda, Jupyter Notebooks, TensorFlow and PyTorch for data science and machine learning courses, along with robotic simulation environments like ROS2, Gazebo and PyBullet for AI/ML robotics applications. Our virtual lab is intelligently optimized to efficiently utilize cloud resources, activating computer power precisely when needed by students and faculty. Cluster lab. Our cluster lab is exclusively designed for advanced computing experiments that require multiple interconnected machines. This lab supports courses in big data systems, distributed and parallel programming, distributed computing, cloud network fundamentals, and cloud infrastructure and software systems. Specifically designed for courses in M.Tech cloud computing program, the clustered lab deploys T3A medium instances with 2 CPUs and 4 GB RAM and T3AX large instances with 4 CPUs and 16 GB RAM. For intensive distributed and parallel programming courses, we also provide GPU-based machines. Each cluster provides individual machines start and stop functionality with full interconnectivity between the cluster nodes. While all machines come with pre-customized with essential software, students have the flexibility to install additional tools as needed. The clusters are equipped with comprehensive big data ecosystems, including Hadoop with Hive, Pig and Scoop, Apache Spark for distributed processing, Kafka for stream processing, MongoDB for NoSQL databases, and specialized tools like OpenMPI for parallel programming and Kubernetes for container orchestration. The entire infrastructure is backed by AWS Cloud Services for maximum reliability. Console Lab. The Console Lab caters to courses including hands-on experience with cloud services, primarily serving courses in M.Tech cloud computing program and any course requiring direct AWS services on cloud infrastructure. Students get direct access to the AWS services including EC2, EBS, RDS, S3, IAM, Lambda, EKS and EMR. This lab supports critical courses such as cloud computing, cloud economics, stream processing and analytics, and service-oriented architecture. Through console-based experiments, students learn to create virtual machines, develop and deploy microservices, and work directly with cloud infrastructure. Students utilize the complete AWS service ecosystem, including EC2, RDS, S3 and Lambda, working through AWS Management Console and CLI to gain hands-on experience with enterprise-grade cloud services and platforms. This lab provides an authentic cloud computing experience on the AWS platform, giving students practical skills in modern cloud computing technologies. Remote Lab. Our remote lab represents the pinnacle of our infrastructure, hosted at our Hyderabad campus with 44 high-end servers. The combined capability includes approximately 400 CPU cores and 3000 GB RAM, connected via high-speed 1 Gbps internet connectivity. The server cluster hosts a Kubernetes container orchestrator, which manages our GPU cluster consisting of 1 controller and 3 worker nodes. The cluster is equipped with 7 L40S GPU cards, providing an impressive total of 18,176 CUDA cores, 568 Tensor cores and 142 RT cores per card. Students access GPU resources through Kubeflow notebooks with all data backed by our 20 TB NAS server. This powerful infrastructure enables cutting-edge research and coursework in audio analytics, video analytics, and conversational AI. The lab provides access to advanced AI frameworks optimized for GPU acceleration, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and specialized libraries such as OpenCV for computer vision, comprehensive Python packages like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib for data processing. The entire system is available 24/7 through an intelligent slot management system integrated with our eLearn portal, ensuring optimal resource allocation for advanced AI and machine learning projects. These 4 specialized lab environments provide our CSIS students with industry-standard software ecosystems, spanning from fundamental programming tools to advanced GPU-accelerated AI platforms. From network simulations with Wireshark and Cisco Packet Tracer to big data processing with Hadoop and Spark, our infrastructure ensures students work with the same professional tools they encounter in their careers. Thank you for learning about our comprehensive CSIS lab infrastructure.